Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert watermark to specific pages in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file. Now select Organize option and here you will find this watermark option. Click here and select here Add Watermark and select a type. There are two kinds of watermark. This is file watermark and this text watermark. And select text watermark and type here your watermark name. Yeah. And this is watermark font size and you can see watermark font style and this is watermark color. You can change here and make this color and select OK and this color now change. And this is watermark rotation. You can change a rotation angle. I'll make it 90 and see this. And this is watermark opacity. Also change it and make it 60. And escape relative to target page. Here also you can increase decrease the watermark size. I'll make it 80 and transparency I'll make it 50. And this is watermark horizontal placement and this is vertical placement. And first we say this unit, make it inch. Also you can say this horizontal left, see this center, and customly also you can change and see this vertical. I'll make all of this 0 and this is a specific page range. Select here. I'll insert watermark first 2 pages and page number 4 and simply select OK and see this our watermark is a first 2 pages and is page number 4 and other pages remain same. Yeah. And finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.